Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and today is another cruise video. So I have been doing an ongoing what is there to do on a cruise, and this is day 6 of a 7-day cruise, and today we'll be in Cozumel. We arrive at 7 in the morning and we leave at 4:30, which means we have to be on the ship like 3:30. So we're really not there that long. Anyway, let's find out what exactly there is to do that day. So I'm getting on my MSC and Me app, and there is this little icon there. You need to click on that, and you have this. So you click on that, which was, what was that? Let's go back. It's a daily program. And that will bring up everything that's going on. Now, I am not on the ship, obviously. Once I get on the ship, there will be more things added to that daily program. This is just giving you an idea of some of the things that will be available before you even get on the ship. So, let's see. So let me go to the Cozumel day, which, by the way, according to this, this night there will be the 60s, 70s, and 80s night. Sometimes they call it the sunshine party night. So some people like to dress up accordingly, and they have parties throughout the ship. If you're interested in that, okay. So they're saying there's 60 activities. 6 o'clock in the morning, they have the MSC Today with Cruise Director Neil. And then they have a sunrise stretch at 7 in the morning. It's free. It's over on deck 8 in the gym. And then after that, at 8 o'clock, they have a yoga slow flow. Then at 9 o'clock, they have a free foot analysis consultation. Now, I have to say, this is like almost every day. Must be a lot of people with feet issues. I'm one. 9 o'clock in the morning, they start pickleball games. You do have to be 18 or older for that. They get out the board games. They start to be available at 9 o'clock also, and those are free. And then also at 9 o'clock, they have Sparkle with Savings Ashore. Meet Dalen at our #1 recommended shop ashore. Oh, okay. Basically, it's shopping stuff. 9 o'clock, they're also having stretching, which is interesting. Most people that would want to do sunrise stretch and yoga slow flow will also want to do stretching and then aerobics, which is at 9 and 9:30. And okay, the first two were deck 8. These are at deck 18. So got to skedaddle so you can get to those stretching classes. I love to stretch. Do you like to stretch? We will probably be off the ship, though. We do plan to get off in Cozumel. No excursion, just walk around. All right, so at 10 o'clock, they have a tic-tac-toe game. They also have morning trivia. And then at 10:30, they have Guess the Song, Queen versus King. Also at 10:30, they have ladder golf. Then at 11, they have a ring toss. Now, this goes to show you, if you didn't want to get off the ship, there is stuff that's going on. Plus the fact a lot of people like to get off. So you have a pretty much, it's not totally empty, but most everybody's off the ship. So it gives you opportunity to enjoy a less crowded ship. At 1300, they're having a mini golf challenge. And then at 13:30, they have a DJ mix, Caribbean Vibes, which I'm just guessing that's music. And then at 1500, they have Friends of Bill, afternoon trivia, basketball game, which you have to be 18 or older. And then at 15:30, they have Cool as Ice Pan, live music. And then at 15:30, they have a dance class, the Jive. That's fun. That would be fun. At 1600, they have a formula for weight loss. It's a master class. And they're not saying there's a charge for that. So I'm not really for sure if that's an exercise class or they're just going to talk to you about losing weight. Okay, so ping pong tournament at 16:30. You have to be 18 or older. They also have the DJ Mix Caribbean Vibes, so they're back. And they're also having a game called Ocean Trap. Now see, by this time have been on the ship and we're leaving, so... by the way, speaking of getting off and on the ship, MSC does change their ship time to coincide with whatever port you're in. So, if you're in Central Time Zone, if you leave from an Eastern Time Zone place and you go to a Central Time Zone port, you're going to change times. But they will make sure to tell you the night before. They make it very well known. Just keep that in mind. I don't think on our trip, I think we're going to be Eastern Time Zone the whole time. So I don't think it's going to affect us. I know last time we went to Jamaica, and where else did we go? And I do remember we had to change our clocks. All right. So we have at 1700 Solo Travelers Meeting, and then at 1730 they have the MSC World Cruise 2027 talk. So I guess they're just going to try to sell you a world cruise. Wouldn't that be fun? Oh, I would love that. 1730, they're also having a get-together 18 or plus for the LGBTQIA+. And then in 1830, they have the qualifying round for the blackjack tournament in the casino. They're also having group cycling. Now, this is in the gym, and there is a charge for this. At 1800, they're also having a casino slot or double points. And then also Super Coral Quiz. I wonder what that is. Oh, it says a family game show produced in collaboration with MSC Foundation, dedicated to discovering the coral world and its environments through the MSC Foundation's Super Coral Program and Ocean Key. They do have on, when we go to Ocean Key the second day, they have what they call Walk for the Corals. And this is on the private island. They are trying to preserve the island. And so they don't have a whole lot of hoopla on there. It's not like going to a fair or an amusement park or something like that. It's just very quiet. And they don't like to take in the shells off the ship or anything like that. But I think this coincides with, this game coincides with trivia about that island. And if you want to learn more, I suggest you look it up online. It's quite interesting. I do plan on going to the Walk for the Corals. All right, so 1830, we have a family karaoke. And also the live band, Oceanic band, will be back. Oh, and then in 1845, we have another dance class, rock and roll. Wonder what that's all about. Maybe the twist and stuff like that. I don't know. That would be fun. Of course, anything with dancing to me is fun. All right, 9:15. They're having a progressive trivia, and then at 19:30, they're having. I know I'm going to say this wrong. Shabbat service. It says entertainment. It's unhosted. 1930 also, Sunset Stretch. It's free. And they're also having the theater show, The Journey. At 20 hours, you have MSC Kids Doremi Family Party. You also have high quality makeup and skincare products, trying to sell you something, the perfume shop on deck 6. Also, slot tournament qualifying round is going to be going on. And then Showtime at the Rouge starts. And like I've said in my other videos, I highly recommend you go check out La Cabaret Rouge. They have some pretty good entertainment over there. Oh, and then at 2030, we have, a dance class, disco. Oh, yes. I was a teenager during those times. Wonder what they're going to learn. At the same time, at 2030, they have the Effie Jewelry Final Call preview and Officers in Motion. Experience a special dancing moment with our MSC officers. Oh, that ought to be interesting. I wonder if any of them have any rhythm. At 2045, we have the Dormix Family Disco. At 2100, Dormland Open House by Night. Also MSC Kids. I wonder what that is. Doremiland or Doremix. I have no idea what that is. Am I dumb? Let me know if you know what that is. Maybe I'll look it up. In fact, I'm going to do that now. I'm going to look it up and try to figure out what that is. So when I Googled it, the only thing I saw is that it is a sleep aid. I don't think that's what this is. All right. Okay, wait. Dormix Family Disco. Okay. MSC Cruises rolls out new family entertainment. So it is, there's something for everyone with this. Oh, okay. It's just having fun. They probably learned some dancing and stuff. I love it when they do stuff with families. I think it's great. This must have started in June of 2025. It says, this summer embark on a journey packed with fun for the whole family on the MSC Cruise to Adventure. Our all-inclusive program is bursting with engagement, family-friendly activities to make every moment extraordinary. So it says new is a program, exciting activities. There's a Lego family game. There's a Lego Dormix family disco. It's perfect for getting your groove on. Open a box and face an unexpected challenge with boxes or challenging yourself with MSC Boom. Anyway, it's just a lot of fun, sounds like. All right, so at 21:30, they're having in the Madison Theater, they have the second showing of the show The Journey. And like I have mentioned before in my other videos, you do need to make reservations for these, and I do recommend that you do make reservations because their shows are pretty good. I was pleasantly surprised, honestly. All right, 21:45, they have a game show, The Quest. At 2200, they have an MSC Teens Live pool party. They also have Karaoke Superstar for 18 and older. And then at 22:15, the Trio Buskers, they have live music. And then they have warm-up party with the DJ and live music, Wine and Rose Quartet. That's in the Brooklyn Cafe. 22:45, Fiesta Latina with Trio Express in the atrium on deck 5. That's always fun. A lot of good music. It's one of those things that you can come and kind of watch a little bit and you can leave and come back if you want. And then at 2300, Casino Paradise Lotto and Love and Marriage game show hosted by your cruise director. Those can get a little wild, let me just say. I would not want to be a participant. And then at 23:30, they have the after party live with live DJ. So that is the end of our day at Cozumel, day 6 of our 7-day cruise. The next day is going to be a day at sea, which day at sea is always the last day at sea is always very hectic because you're trying to pack and get things ready. But I will be doing a video on that, so stay tuned. And thank you for joining me. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.